So if you've installed your upper and lower track, you should have panel 1 in place already. Then we simply do the same as we did for panel 1, where we grab panel 2, insert it into the first slot there, find the entry point at the top up there, slide it across, get that second bearing in there. You can see how it just pops in there. So that's panel 1 and 2 installed. We do the same with panel number 3. You can see it's not very difficult to get the bearings to pop in there. Down here on the lower track, you'll notice again that there's 2 main slots. So panel 1 and 2 go in that first slot, and then panel 3 and 4 go in this other one up. All right, so we're going to install panel 4, the last panel in the lower track here. So you can see we got that alignment pretty nice so that they slide back and forth as a set quite nicely. We also got the height set correctly. There is some adjustment in the overall height that you can have for a carriage. So if you're a little high or a little low, essentially then have to shim up the top track, which in this case we don't have to do. Actual measurements are in the manual for if you want to hit an angle. Now that we've got all these 4 panels here, we have to install our mid slot screws here. So notice there's slots in every panel, 2 slots in this gate, and you can see there's holes that we install screws into in each one of these so that they ride in the slots. Those screws are really important for both safety and functionality of the gate. If you don't have them in there, then the gate will not obviously nest together. So we need to do those. So the screws look just like that. They have a little plastic collar on there. The plastic collar is there for a couple of reasons. One, to get the height of the screw in the hole set, and then also to avoid metal on metal running. So you don't have to do it very hard. Screws that you get in the bag that come with it will have a little bit of thread lock on it. That thread lock can be reused up to 5 times, according to the supplier of that product. So they will stick in there a little harder than the ones I'm doing, because these ones have none on there. It'd be a little bit of red compound. Again, you want to do it at both slots, the upper and the lower. So this is panel 3. So don't use your drill and drive these things in there. You'll squish the plastic and you'll not be very happy. The thread lock is there to keep them from popping out. Last one. All right, and now as you can see, before the whole thing would flop apart, and in this case now, it basically moves back and forth.